How does Bitcoin actually work? Did you know that Bitcoin, a digital currency, has no physical form yet is worth more than the GDP of some countries? Ever wondered how a bunch of code can be worth thousands of dollars? How does Bitcoin actually work? Bitcoin's decentralized nature solves problems like double spending without needing a central authority. It provides a secure, transparent way to transfer value globally, which can hedge against inflation and enhance financial independence. Think of Bitcoin as the rebellious teenager of the financial world. No banks, no intermediaries, just peer-to-peer transactions. Cool, right? When I first heard about Bitcoin, I thought it was some kind of magic internet money. Turns out, it's all about blockchain technology. Bitcoin's creator, Satoshi Nakamoto, who might be a person or a group, remains anonymous. Talk about a modern-day mystery. To dive deeper into the world of Bitcoin and uncover more mysteries, subscribe to our channel. Get exclusive content and be the first to access our next video. Plus, we're giving away a small fraction of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber. Is Bitcoin safe? Imagine waking up and finding your bank account emptied by hackers. Scary, right? Now, think about your Bitcoin wallet. Is it safe? With so many security breaches and hacks, how safe is Bitcoin really? Bitcoin uses advanced cryptography to secure transactions, making it inherently secure. Learn how to safely store your Bitcoin using hardware wallets, two-factor authentication, and secure exchanges. Securing Bitcoin is like guarding a dragon's treasure, only less fire-breathing and more password-protecting. I once lost Bitcoin because I forgot my wallet password. Lesson learned: secure and remember your passwords. The Mt. Gox hack in 2014 was a wake-up call for Bitcoin security. Since then, security measures have drastically improved. Want to keep your Bitcoin safe from digital dragons? Subscribe to our channel for the latest security tips and tricks. Don't miss out on our next video about choosing the best Bitcoin wallets. And you could win a hardware wallet just for subscribing. What are the benefits and drawbacks of Bitcoin? Bitcoin's value has skyrocketed by over 900,000% since its inception. But is it all sunshine and rainbows? What are the real benefits and drawbacks of Bitcoin? Understand Bitcoin's benefits like decentralization, transparency, and potential for high returns. Weigh these against drawbacks like volatility, regulatory uncertainty, and environmental concerns. Bitcoin is like that roller coaster ride, thrilling but sometimes you feel like throwing up. I experienced Bitcoin's highs and lows firsthand. One day I was on top of the world, the next I was questioning my life choices. Bitcoin's first major price surge in 2017 put it on the map, but also highlighted its extreme volatility. Curious about whether Bitcoin's benefits outweigh its drawbacks? Hit that subscribe button and join our community. Get early access to our deep dive analysis and win a chance to get some Bitcoin for free. Is Bitcoin a good investment? If you had invested $100 in Bitcoin in 2010, you'd be a millionaire today. But is it still a good investment now? Is Bitcoin a good investment for your future? Discuss Bitcoin's potential for high returns, portfolio diversification, and hedge against inflation. Address risks like volatility, market manipulation, and the need for due diligence. Investing in Bitcoin is like dating, thrilling, unpredictable, and sometimes you get ghosted by the market. I invested in Bitcoin last year and it felt like riding a financial roller coaster. Here's what I learned. The 2017 bull run saw Bitcoin reach unprecedented highs, drawing global attention to its investment potential. Want to make an informed decision about investing in Bitcoin? Subscribe now for in-depth insights and strategies. Plus, get a chance to win a Bitcoin investment guide worth $50. How do I buy and sell Bitcoin? Ever felt like buying Bitcoin is as confusing as assembling IKEA furniture? Let's simplify it for you. How do you actually buy and sell Bitcoin easily and safely? Provide a step-by-step guide on choosing the right exchange, setting up a wallet, and making transactions. Highlight the importance of fees, security measures, and verifying transactions. buying Bitcoin shouldn't feel like decoding an ancient scroll. Let's break it down. The first time I bought Bitcoin, I accidentally paid double in fees. Here's how you can avoid my mistake. Bitcoin's first purchase was for 2 pizzas in 2010. Today, buying Bitcoin is a bit more sophisticated, but just as revolutionary. Ready to buy your first Bitcoin? Subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials and tips. And join our giveaway to win a Bitcoin starter pack including a secure wallet. How do I avoid Bitcoin scams? In 2021, crypto scams cost victims over $14 billion. How can you avoid being one of them? How do you identify and avoid Bitcoin scams? Teach how to spot common scams, check the legitimacy of exchanges and wallets, and use secure methods for transactions. Emphasize research and skepticism. Bitcoin scams are like catfishes, they look real but can leave you heartbroken and broke. I almost fell for a Bitcoin scam once. Here's how I caught the red flags just in time. The infamous BitConnect scam of 2018 swindled thousands. Learn from history and protect your assets. Stay safe in the crypto world. Subscribe for more tips on avoiding scams and securing your Bitcoin. Plus, enter our contest to win a Bitcoin security toolkit. Is Bitcoin the future of money? Some experts believe Bitcoin could become the global currency of the future. But is it true? Is Bitcoin really the future of money? Discuss Bitcoin's potential to revolutionize finance by providing a decentralized, borderless currency. Address challenges like adoption, scalability, and regulatory issues. Bitcoin could be the future unless Elon Musk tweets otherwise. When I first heard about Bitcoin as future money, I thought it was sci-fi. Now, I see the potential. From bartering the gold to fiat currencies, Bitcoin might be the next step in our monetary evolution. Want to explore the future of money? Subscribe to our channel for visionary insights and analyses. Don't miss our exclusive content, and you could win a Bitcoin futures report worth $100. How will Bitcoin regulations affect its value? Imagine Bitcoin's value skyrocketing or plummeting overnight due to new regulations. What's the real impact? How will government regulations affect Bitcoin's value? Explain how different regulatory environments can impact Bitcoin's price and adoption. Discuss the balance between innovation and regulation, and how investors can stay informed. Regulations in Bitcoin are like cats and dogs, always unpredictable. I once lost sleep over a potential Bitcoin ban. Here's how I stay informed and prepared now. China's crackdown on Bitcoin mining in 2021 caused massive price drops, showing the power of regulations. Stay ahead of regulatory changes. Subscribe for the latest updates and analyses. Join our community and get a chance to win a subscription to a premium Bitcoin regulatory newsletter. What are the environmental impacts of Bitcoin? Bitcoin mining consumes more electricity than some entire countries. How does that impact our planet? What are the environmental impacts of Bitcoin, and can they be mitigated? Highlight the environmental concerns of Bitcoin mining, such as high energy consumption. Discuss sustainable practices and emerging technologies aimed at reducing Bitcoin's carbon footprint. Bitcoin mining is like leaving your fridge door open, constantly consuming power. I became more eco-conscious and wondered how my Bitcoin investment affected the planet. Here's what I found. In 2021, Elon Musk's tweets about Bitcoin's environmental impact caused significant market fluctuations. Care about the planet and your investments? Subscribe for insights on sustainable Bitcoin practices and join our eco-friendly crypto movement. Win a guide on green Bitcoin mining techniques.